Hi, Ma'am, Sir. Good morning. This is Cecilia Batangan, 39 years, happily married with 5 kids. The age is 19, 18, 12, 9, and 8. I am currently living here in Ilocos Norte, Philippines. My religion is Roman Catholic, and my educational attainment is Centennial College of Bachelor of Science Information Technology. So my work experience here in Philippines, I took care men age 76. There are 5 members in the family, and the house is landed. My task is I do also household chores and cleaning, laundry, cooking, ironing, washing, and marketing. The second employer was in Singapore for almost 1 year. My employer is couple, and there is two kids. The age is 4 years old and a newborn. My household chores like cleaning, laundry, washing, cooking, ironing, and marketing. The reason why from the year April 2024 to 2025, by this April. So the reason why they are not continue my service is they are relocate their location, because my sir is a businessman and a Chinese. So they are decided to relocate from China. I'm looking forward to see you, Mom and Sir, and I'm hoping you give me chance to show my obligation, my best, and I will do my responsibility for trustworthy and flexibility. Thank you.